friends, hello everyone. Welcome to another vlog, welcome to another episode. This is a performance upgrade video of my BMW G310GS. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the stock filter to a performance air filter. I'll show you what I've got, and it's not K&N, it's not BMC air filter, it's something local made in India, and I'm going to show you everything. I'll take you through the entire process of installation. I'll show you everything in details. This might be the first video in YouTube because I haven't find these air filter videos in YouTube. So anyways, I'll take you through all the details, and I'll also give you a review of how the performance is before and after. So yeah, I'm very excited, guys. So be with me till the entire vlog and let's rock my bike. Okay, so you guys can see that this is the Ngage Hyper Flow air filter for my bike. This is a performance air filter, you can check it. Somehow the paint is not there, and this is for TVS and BMW bikes. I have got a G310, everyone knows about it. So this is the performance air filter. This is, I hope this is made in India. Yeah, it's made in India, so the price is less. BMC and K&N are very expensive, above 6,000 rupees. So all are same. The difference is it's made in India. Everything is the same. And this is the box, and here is the air filter, which I got it, which is pre-oiled and everything. You can see, guys, it has all the information. So you guys can pause and look into this information, and once I'm done with the installation, I'll show you if there is an improvement in the performance. And I'm expecting good response from it because I've tried to watch a lot of videos in internet about these Ngage ones. I couldn't find many, so I thought making it for myself, because everyone is using BMC and K&N air filters, cost 6,000, 6,500. So I wanted to try out a made in India product. So let's see if it's good or not, and you guys can see here it is. So next I'll be installing it, and then I'll show you how's the performance. Okay, so BMW has nuts. Let me show you. One, there are three over here. 1, 2, 3. There is one over here, and there are 1, 2, 3 nuts, and there are more nuts inside this panel. So I have to take out almost 20-25 nuts to get access to the air filter. So let me open the tank, and then I'll show you how to install the air filter. So I'll open these three panels, this panel and that panel. So these are side wing panels, and then I'll unscrew everything and open the tank, and inside that I'll have an access to the air filter. Okay, so you guys can see I've opened the side panels, and there are 2 more screws inside. So this is the one, and that's the one. So I have to open these. So now I have to open 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 inside as well, and then 1, 2, 3. So finally, guys, I've opened the fiber tank, and I missed, there are screws over here, see, 1, 2, and there were side screws over here as well. So this is the entire tank. I just cleaned it out. I don't know what BMW service center does. This is the air filter. I'll be opening it up and I'll be changing it. So this is the new filter, Ngage Performance filter, and this is the old one, paper filter. I just got my BMW serviced. They gave me this. This is new though, so I'll keep it as spare, and this is my new one, so it's gonna be fitting over here. It's very difficult to record, but still If you still like and watching the video, please like, share and subscribe so that I can make this kind of videos for you guys. So now guys, I've installed it. Now the moment of truth. Let me get the keys and we'll start, and let me see. It will take few minutes of time to get the hang of the filter. I can see there is a slight change in the sound. So let the ECO unit make its adjustments. There is a slight change in the sound, and let's see if the performance improves or not. I'll make you guys hear at the end result. So finally guys, the fitting is done. I had to open all this. I'll tighten my frames. So yeah, it's all done right now. So I'll start the engine and make you listen. So guys, this is the end of the video. I have done all the fittings. You can see everything is fit and fine. So guys, I'll request, it's a very tedious job. Why BMW? Why? I don't know why you have given so many nuts just to access the air filter. I don't know, that's their technology. But anyways, everything is done, fitted, and I'm very happy. I'll definitely ride my bike for another 400-500 kilometers. I'm gonna go for a ride very soon, so I'll give you an update on that. And also, thank you everyone for watching these videos. If you like my work, do subscribe and hit the like button, and definitely I'll be bringing you more videos like this. Thank you guys. Ciao.